नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-33 सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः +3-34 इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे +3-35 श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः। A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, शुक्रवासरे February 19, 2021. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Rutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad-gite Bhavadveshini. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Sadrusham cheshtate swasya prakrite jnanavanapi prakritim yanti bhutani nigrahah kinkarishyati indriyasyendriyasyarthe ragadvesha vyavasthyatau तयोर्नवशमागच्छेत् तव्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मा स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः। पदच्छेदः। सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेः ज्ञानवान् अपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति। इन्द्रियस्य अर्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोः न वशम् आगच्छेत् तौ हि अस्य परिपन्थिनौ श्रेयान् स्वधर्मः विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मः भयावहः। वाक्यांशः पदाभ्यासाः अन्वयार्थाश्च। देयर आर फॉलोइंग वाक्यांशाः। ज्ञानवान् अपि स्वस्याः प्रकृतेः सदृशं चेष्टते भूतानि प्रकृतिं यान्ति निग्रहः किं करिष्यति। इन्द्रियस्य अर्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोः वशं न आगच्छेत् हि तौ अस्य परिपन्थिनौ परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् विगुणः अपि स्वधर्मः श्रेयान् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मः भयावहः। लेट अस डू डिटेल्ड वाक्यांशः स्टडी। ज्ञानवान् अपि स्वस्याः प्रकृतेः सदृशं चेष्टते। चेष्टते चेष्ट इति धातुः तस्य लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं। नोट चेष्ट चेष्टं चेष्टायां टू एक्ट टू ट्राई टू पुट एफर्ट। भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः सेट। सदृशं सदृश और सदृश एडजेक्टिव। सदृशी फेमिनिन like resembling similar of the same rank with genitive or locative but usually in compound। वज्रपात सदृश कुसुम सदृश कश्चित् धरेः सौम्य सुत सदृक्षः आस्ते। फिट राइट suitable confirmable as in प्रस्ताव सदृशं वाक्यं worthy befitting becoming। श्रुतस्य किं तत्सदृशं कुलस्य। Note, in Aptite Dictionary it is mentioned that the word sadrusha is used with genitive or locative. Here both words swasyaha prakrutehe are in genitive case, shashti vibhakti. It is also mentioned but usually in compound. Well, swasyaha prakrutehe sadrusham can be made a compound word as swaprakriti sadrusham. So we can very well rewrite this as jnanavan api swaprakriti sadrusham cheshtate. भूतानि प्रकृतिं यान्ति. If this Vakyamsha, Bhutani Prakritim Yanti, may as well be read as Bhutani Swaprakritim Yanti, it brings to mind Sattvanurupahi Sarvasya, Shraddha Bhavati Bharata, Shraddha Mayoyam Purusho, Yoya Shraddha Sevasa. This is in 17th chapter, the 3rd shloka. Rather, Bhutani Prakritim Yanti and Yoya Shraddha Sevasa are synonymous statements. Among all animals, dogs are devoted to their masters. That has been so since time immemorial. It was his dog that accompanied Yudhishthira right to the gates of heaven. My friend Mr. Vijay Kane said, Yoyat Shraddha connotes a basic species-specific software that a jivaha is born with, software. Another example is Bhrung iti gacchati iti bhrunga. Going around, making sound as bhrung is characteristic of all honeybees. They are born with such software. Sanskrit words such as bhrungaha have the etymology identifying the characteristics. We can endorse that bhrungaha api swasyaha prakritehe sadrusham cheshtate. Alternatively, at the end of their life, bhutani prakritim yanti means bhutani merge into prakriti, the nature. This also is a statement of universal truth. Nigraha kim karishyati. This interrogative has its answer inherent. Nigraha kim karishyati means nigraha kimapi na karishyati. Answer to a question is often in the question itself. Prashna eva bhavati prashnasya samadhanam. Meaning of the word nigraha may rather be taken as adamancy or vim. It is fruitless, rather senseless, to try to do something which does not accord with one's inherent nature. This has been rather stated bluntly in स्वभावजेनकंतया निबद्धस्वेन कर्मणा कर्तुम नेच्छसि यन्मोहात् करिष्यस्य वशोपितम्. This is the 18th chapter, the 60th. English translation by Dr. S. Shankar Narayan. O son of Kunti, being bound fully by your own duty, born of your own nature, and also being hence not independent, you would perform what you do not wish to perform because of your delusion. So, bhutani prakritim yanti. इंद्रियस्य अर्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ. इंद्रियस्य ऑर्गन बाय ऑर्गन रागद्वेषौ. रागः च द्वेषः च. नोट, रागः पुल्लिंगम रंजनम इति रज्यते अनेन इति वा. रंज भावे करणे वा. घई च भावकरणयोः. दिस इज 6:427 फ्रॉम अष्टाध्यायी. इति न लोपः. रागः अट्रैक्शन. द्वेषः पुल्लिंगम द्विष प्लस भावे घै शत्रुता. तत्पर्यायः. हेंस द्वेषः रिपल्शन. इफ रागः इज अट्रैक्शन, द्वेषः इज रिपल्शन. व्यवस्थितो वि प्लस अव प्लस था इत्यस्य क्त विशेषणं व्यवस्थित. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा द्विवचनम. व्यवस्थितौ are organized, intuitively set. There are things which eyes should see, should not see, which ears should hear, should not hear, which tongue should taste, should not taste, which nose should smell, should not smell, which mouth should speak, should not speak, which may be touched, which may not be touched. The Atharvavediya Shanti Mantra prays exactly for this. See, Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devaha, Om Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiryajatraha, Sthirairangai Stushtuvam Sastanubhir Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. It would be good to study this. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Deva. Om Bhadram Pashyema Akshabhi Yajatra. Sthiraihi Angaihi Tushtavamsah Tanubhihi Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Note, Om Devaha, O gods, Karnebhi, by the ears, Bhadram, what is benevolent, Shunuyama, may we hear. Only what is benevolent, that only may fall on our ears. Note, in classical grammar, the word Karnebhi would be Karnaihi. So, Karnebhi is Arsha Prayoga. Om Yajatraha, we the performers of sacrificial rituals, Akshabhi, by our eyes, Bhadram, what is benevolent, Pashyema, may we see. Sthiraihi Angaihi, with steadfast organs. Tanubhi, also with steadfast mind and intellect. Yadayuhu, throughout life. Tushtavamsaha, we the prayerful. Devahitam Vyashema, may we indulge only in what pleases the gods. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May it be peace. Of course, peace and peace only. The import of Indriyasya Indriyasya Arthaye Ragatvesha Vyavasito is that every organ has its specifics of what is attractive or repulsive. Hi tau asya paripanthinam. Paripanthinau, paripanthin, visheshanam, pullingam, prathama, dvivachanam. Note in Aptech dictionary, paripanthin, adjective, standing in the way, obstructing, opposing, hindering. Said by Panini to be admissible only in the Veda, but see the quotations given below. Artha paripanthi mahanaratihi, na bhavishya mahamayatra tatra yajitat paripanthini. An enemy, antagonist, opponent, a foe, a robber, thief, highwayman. Indriyasya Indriyasya Arthe Ragadvesho Vyavasitau. This same shloka has been quoted. Tayoho vasham na agachet. One must not become subservient to those likes and dislikes of the organs. Paradharma svanushtita vigunaha api swadharmaha shreyan. Note, there is a swa in both swadharmaha and svanushtita. But swadharmaha is swasya dharma. Svanushtita su plus anu plus tha ityasya dhatoh ta visheshanam svanushtita. Pullingam panchami ekvachanam. Paradharma, paradharma, pullingam panchami ekvachanam. Note, paradharmaha is parasya dharma. Shreyan, shreyas, visheshanam, pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Note, shreyas, visheshanam has comparative degree inherent. Hence, paradharma svanushtita have panchami vibhakti. Swadharme nidhanam shreyaha. Shreyaha, shreyas, visheshanam, napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. The biography of Karna is a good example of swadharme nidhanam shreyaha. One may prefer death to going contrary to one's avowed, inherent righteousness. 1. He considered that not to cause disturbance of sleep of his precept, Parashurama Deva, even when he was bitten very badly by a honeybee. Second example, even when he realized that he was tricked by Bhagavan Indra to donate his kavacham, he did not waver from his avowed creed that no one will go away without being given what he asked for. Even when told, third instance, by Sri Krishna Bhagavan that he was the senior-most Kaunteyaha and Pandavaha would welcome him into their camp, bestowing upon him the highest regard, he would not change sides by being ungrateful to Duryodhana, who had instantly made him Angarajaha Karna. He knew that he was taking his life in being on the side of Duryodhana. Karna had his own code of righteous conduct, Swadharma. He abided by it, having clear in his mind that conduct this edict, Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya. Paradharmaha Bhayava. The words Swadharmaha and Paradharmaha suggest that every person may have one's own code of conduct. Swadharmaha, Paradharmaha. My dharma, his dharma. Every person may have one's own code of conduct. One may as well regard one's own code being righteous also. This edict being in continuation of Bhutani Prakritim Yanti suggests that not just humans but every being has its code of conduct. This brings to mind the story of a washerman donning his donkey in the garb of tiger skin. The donkey enjoyed sumptuous eats for a few days but was badly beaten up when the donkey bayed in his hoarse voice. In another story, a wolf and a crane became friends. The wolf once invited the crane for dinner, but served the meal on a flat plate, due to which the crane could hardly eat anything. As a return of compliments, the crane invited the wolf for dinner, and the meals were arranged in pitchers with tall necks. Interestingly, food is said to be 4 types. Annam Chaturvidham. This is in Gita, 15th chapter, the 14th one. Chaturvidham, of 4 types. Bhaksham, to be eaten by masticating, grinding in teeth. Bhojya, to be eaten by swallowing. Lehyam, to be licked. Shoshyam, to be sucked. Paradharmaha Bhayava. So, how one will eat one's food is a sadharma. That the wolf can eat liquid only by licking. Swadharma. Paradharmaha Bhayava. Even when it be very well adapted, Swanusthitaha, Suanusthitaha, it becomes Bhayava. There is a story when Birbal, the smart minister of Shahenshah Akbar, was a boy. Once the village entertainer donned the garb of a bull. To test how good the garb was, Birbal tossed a small pebble at the bull. Promptly, the entertainer gave a shiver to his body, and Birbal appreciatively clapped. Now, with that good a mimicry, imagine if the villagers would give the bull grass to eat. Howsoever good, suanusthitaha, the act be, paradharmaha bhayavaha. Saranshtaha, overall meaning. Jnanavanapi swasyaha prakritehe sadrusham cheshrati. A wise person also acts in accordance with his inherent nature. Bhutani prakritim yanti. All creation merges into nature, or all creatures behave according to their inherent nature. Nigraha king karishati. What can being adamant do? Indriyasya arthe ragadvesha vyavasitu. Organ by organ, there are likes and dislikes. Tayoho vasham na agachet. One must not be subservient to the desires of the organs. He tau asya paripanthino. The likes and dislikes of organs are the hindrances in the path of knowledge. Asya, knowledge. Paradharma swanusthita vigunaha api swadharmaha shreyan. Howsoever good another's behavior be adopted, one's own code of conduct is better, even if it is devoid of merits. Viguna. Swadharme nidhanam shreya. It may be good to meet even death abiding by one's own code of conduct. Paradharmaha bhayavaha. Adopting another's code of conduct is fraught with dire consequences. Chando Vishleshana. Sadrusham cheshrate swasyaha. Ashtakshani. Shrate swasyaha. Edesham matraha. Eka, द्वे द्वे प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि अष्टाक्षराणि नवान एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि अष्टाक्षराणि न्ति भूता एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे निग्रहः किं करिष्यति अष्टाक्षराणि करिष्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः इन 3-33 इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे अष्टाक्षराणि इन्द्रियस्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ अष्टाक्षराणि व्यवस्थि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत् अष्टाक्षराणि क्षमागच्छे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ अष्टाक्षराणि रिपन्थि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः इन 3-34 श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः अष्टाक्षराणि धर्मो विगु एतेषां मात्राः द्वे एका एका परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् अष्टाक्षराणि स्वसनुष्ठि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः अष्टाक्षराणि धनं श्रे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे परधर्मो भयावः अष्टाक्षराणि भयाव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका प्रथमे पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः इन 3-35 स्वाध्याय नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी द एंटायर लाइन श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् इन 3-35 repeats ditto in 18-47. There are more instances of the entire line repeating ditto. Indriyani indriyasyarthe Indriyani indriyarthebhyastasya prajna pratisthita. In 2-54, 58 repeats ditto in 2-68. Mama vartmanu vartante manushya partha sarvasha. 3-23 repeats ditto in 4-11. I wonder whether such lines are lines to be underscored as very important statements. There are many phrases also which repeat ditto, but an entire line repeating ditto is very, very special. Deliberating on Shreyan Swadharmaha, it comes to mind that people often do not realize what their Swadharma is. I once met an American gentleman who was operating an agency of spill management products. When we became closely acquainted, I understood that he was also a surgeon doing open heart surgery. There are many medicos who have become famous in the fields of music and dramas. Late Dr. Sriram Lagu, 16 November 27 to 17 December 2019, was an Indian film and theatre actor in Hindi and Marathi, in addition to being an ENT surgeon. He was known for his character roles in films. Did he realize much too late that his real passion, Swadharmaha, was acting? Career or family is often the dilemma for ladies. Not that women should not be educated, but finally what matters is Loka Sangraha. Gita 3-20. Social relevance of all actions. Everyone's Swadharmaha also has to have social relevance. The framework of Chaturvarnyam is also a sociological thought. Although this can be better discussed when studying Gita 4-13 and Gita 18-41, the basic thought of Chaturvarnyam, as mentioned in Gita 18-41, is division of labor. Karmani pravibhaktan. That too based on individual skills and aptitudes. Swabhava prabhavair gunai. The framework of Chaturvarnyam is not for division of society. It is for division of labor. The basis for division of labor is also not based on caste or family by birth, but by individual skills and aptitudes, swabhava prabhavair gunahi. Indian society has suffered and continues to suffer too much and too long due to gross misunderstanding of all this. In fact, racial discrimination is not a malady only in India. Most societies around the world suffer discrimination of one type or the other. The forthright remedy, as per Gita 18-41, is that it should be division of labor, not of the society. And the division of labor should happen by individual skills and aptitudes. Swabhava prabhavaihi gunaihi. It is important and necessary that the educational system and career guidance infrastructure should also promote Shreyan Swadharmaha, Loka Sangraha, and Karmanam Vibhajanam based on Swabhava Prabhavair Gunai. Shubhamastu.